Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue swans. Separate eggs, whisk whites to stiff peaks, and gradually add 1 cup sugar until glossy. Pipe body shapes and wings on parchment, then bake low and dry for crispness. Assemble by sandwiching bodies and attaching wings with a dab of whipped cream, shaping necks from piped meringue, and toasting lightly if desired. Enjoy delicate swans on dessert plates. Start with room temperature egg whites and clean equipment for best volume. Use 1 cup sugar per 2 egg whites as a guideline, adjusting for humidity every time. Beat on medium then high until stiff peaks form, testing by lifting the whisk to see firm peaks. For shaping, use a large star tip for wings and a round tip for bodies, piping with steady pressure and spacing for airflow during baking. Watch humidity and oven temperature closely because meringues love dryness for crisp shells. Bake at low heat around 200 degrees F for 1 to 1. 5 hours depending on size, then turn off oven and let them cool inside to prevent cracking. If they weep or become sticky, they likely need longer drying. Store in an airtight container with a packet of rice or desiccant to keep them crisp until serving and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.